Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
After importing images into the organizer, you can group them into albums based on whatever criteria you want. Elements provides you with the Albums and Folders panel at the left side of the organizer window to help you create and manage your albums and better organize your photos. To create a new album within the organizer, click the Albums button at the top of the Albums and Folders panel. Then click the Create New Album or Album Category drop-down arrow button in the upper right corner of the Albums and Folders panel. It's the small green plus sign with a small downward pointing arrow to its right. Then choose the New Album command from the drop-down menu that appears to display a New Album panel at the right side of the window. You can also directly click the actual plus sign part of the same button to open the same panel. In the New Album panel, type a name for your new album into the Album Name field. To categorize the album under a category you have created, select an existing category from the category drop-down. Creating categories is discussed in an upcoming lesson in this chapter. To add media to the album, click and drag the media to add to the album from the organizer window into the Media bin shown in the Add New Album panel. After adding media to the new album, you can click a media item you added to select it, and then click and drag it to a new location in the Media bin to change the order of images in the album. When finished, click the OK button at the bottom of the New Album panel. The new album name then appears in the Albums and Folders panel at the left side of the window. To add more images to an existing album, click and drag the images onto the album's name in the Albums and Folders panel, and then release them when the desired album name is highlighted in the panel. To remove an image from an album, right-click the image in the album to remove, and then select the Remove from Album Name command from the pop-up menu that appears. You can create as many albums as needed to organize your imported media in the organizer. To view the albums you have created, click the Albums button at the top of the Albums and Folders panel to show the existing albums in the panel. Your albums are grouped under the expandable and collapsible My Albums category. You can click the arrow to the left of an album category to expand or collapse its contents. To view the media in an album, click the name of the album in the Albums and Folders panel. To then display all the images in the organizer again, click the All Media button in the upper left corner of the organizer's media window when viewing the content of an album. To delete an album, right-click the album to delete in the Albums and Folders panel and select the Delete command from the pop-up menu that appears. Elements prompts you to make sure you want to delete it within a Confirm Album Deletion message box that appears. Click the OK button in this message box to finish deleting the selected album.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.